Where are my hands? Where are they? They're right here. I don't know what this is. Hold on. This is a game I bought. And I figure I'll play it for at least a little while. What's up, Bill? We're playing Tembo the Badass Elephant. I bought it yesterday. I had to text Emily because she wanted to know when I was playing it. So we'll play this for at least a little while. And then maybe we'll do something else, maybe we won't, I don't know. But we'll see. I don't know what I've done to lead me to this position. Because I saw it and I was like, I want to play this game. Oh, hello, Satan. Don't worry, the Russians coming to the rescue. His mustache is obscenely large. You called me and I didn't pick up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I get bad reception on Mars. Speaking of calls, look at this. He's got a secret walkie-talkie in his tree on an island, apparently. Optional glasses, bros. Yeah! Right? They're the best. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. The elephant gets reception. Hey, this is Tembo. Can you not... What the hell was that? I'm confused on the mechanics of this. How exactly does one move? Okay, now hold on. Oh, I can't see my games, my items in game. What am I doing right now? I have like a water meter. You wanna riddle me why the hell I can't move right now? You try moving? Look at this! I'm trying to move! The hell are the buttons? Yes. Yes. Snake, are you new to my stream? Welcome. Glad to have you. Messing with you, man. How you doing? What the hell is... Yeah, no, that's what I was doing. Wait, hold on. Seems like you're new. That's not true. That's not... I already saw this! I don't want to watch this again. Oh, no. Sure, you haven't been here in a while. This game might be dead in the water. If I can't move, I also can't skip cutscenes. What is going on here? What is happening? This is going well. It's not my fault I can't move, come on. Not that I don't love this cutscene. Because it's actually pretty well done, but I'd like to be able to play the game. Oh, peanut pack. Yes, thank you. And a bird on his head. I am moving. It's physically not allowing me to move. And it gives me no objective either. Do I need, like, to turn numlock off or something? Turn numlock on? Guys, what the hell is this game? Oh, what the? What is... I paid money for this shit. What is what is going on? I don't understand. I don't understand what is happening right now. I'm just pressing every single button on my keyboard, seeing if something is happening. I think I'm stuck. Oh! Oh, Z. Alright. No, control? How did I evacuate from my position earlier? What is oh, what the hell? It's broke. I done broked it. Alright, you know what? I can cast water while in a ball. Tilda. How about that? That's the Windows key. Alright guys, shit's broke. Yeah, gotta figure out something else to do, I guess. I don't know. I tried everything. I pushed literally every button on my keyboard. You saw that because I tried it. Well, that was good. It was made by Game Freak, apparently. The people who made Pokemon. I don't know. Someone got paid for that, and they didn't deserve to.